just give today the special price for this board and with the stand. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel guys. This is Hero and I'm selling the wedding stuff guys. If it's your first time on my YouTube channel guys, please subscribe right now. You will find special price on this YouTube channel, and don't forget to press bell icon guys. If you already subscribed, thanks for subscriber. You will be find the good prices on this YouTube channel Hero Wedding Decor guys. So today we just available the black board, which is you can see guys, is beautiful and is amazing. We'll just give today the special price for this board and with the stand. If you want the stand separate, is not a problem because some people like the stand separate and the board separate. So if you want a board separate, and we'll give special. If you want a stand separate, is also okay. So the board guys, we just give 200 rand on special price. We're selling in the shop 120, but we give just for 100 rand. And the stand, this is available. I got two sizes for stand, which is for keys and another one is for other. For keys stand guys is 230 rand and the bigger one is 260 rand. So if you want with the stand and with the board guys, then we'll give discount. We'll give 250 the bigger one. If you want the smaller one, then we'll give 230 rand. So anyone you wanted guys, let me know in the comments guys. So thanks for watching guys. I hope you'll be like this video guys. If you like, please give the big thumbs up and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos guys, and share the video with the friends guys. Thank you so much. We'll see you to next video on soon guys. Bye bye.